Hey guys, and welcome back to... Oh, what's this? Oh no!
A wild Max appears.
No, Max, a wild tax appears.
What is tax?
What is the purpose of tax?
How do we calculate tax?
Well, during this video, we'll learn about income tax, tax deductions, and the pay-as-you-go system to find out how they relate to our final taxable income.
I'm Logan Hartigan, and welcome to Taming the Tax. Okay, let's jump straight into the big question.
Tax. What is it? Tax is a percentage deduction which the government takes from all employed citizens in the country. Citizens' salaries determine which tax category they fall under, therefore how much tax they have to pay according to the tax table. Anyways, the tax table is released by Australian government every year, showing how much tax a person has to pay depending on their annual salary. There are 5 categories of the tax table, ranging from $0 to $18,200, $18,201 to $45,000, $45,001 to $120,000, $120,001 to $180,000, and $180,001 plus. Based on the amount of money you earn, you are placed into one of these 5 categories. But now you might be wondering, what is tax used for? Why do I have to pay tax? Tax is taken by the government and used for community infrastructure, such as roads, parks, and bridges. We all have to pay tax, because as we all know, we can't pull money out of thin air, unless you're me.
Now we're going to have a look at our first example question. But before we do that, we're going to have a look at the formula for tax. I'm also going to explain another factor that comes into play when we're working out our taxable income, called deductions.
The formula for tax is annual salary minus the base amount as shown on the tax table multiplied by the tax percentage. Okay, now I'm going to talk to you about deductions. Deductions are all the added costs you must pay before you pay your tax. In a way, they're kind of like extra bills.
Now we're going to have a look at our first example question. I'd really like it if you could help us find out the answer too. So grab a pen, a calculator, and a spare piece of paper, and let's get into our first example question.
Tommy works at a local store and earns $23,780 per annum. Tommy also has to pay $4,200 in deductions for that year. What will Tommy's final taxable income be? Okay, let's start working out his annual salary. PA, standing for per annum or every year, means that his salary will be $23,780, but he has also got deductions to pay before we can calculate his income tax. So if we take his annual salary, $23,780, and subtract the deductions, $4,200, we will end up with his final salary of $19,580. Now we go to the tax table. So as we can see, Tommy's salary of $19,580 is in the second category, as it is between $18,201 and $45,000. The tax table states that Tommy must pay 19 cents for every dollar he earns over $18,200. So to put that into the formula, we will place Tommy's annual salary and subtract it from the base amount of $18,200. This leaves us with $1,380 that he must pay 19 cents per dollar, or 19% of. We multiply $1,380 by 19%, and that gives us $262.20. This is the final amount of tax he must pay. In other words, this is his taxable income.
Okay, now it's your turn. Feel free to pause this video to work out the following equation. This question is very similar to your previous questions, so let's see if you can ace this question.
Thank you guys for watching this video about how to tame the tax. I really hope this video helped you to learn how to tame the tax for yourself by showing you what tax is and how to calculate it. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.